Hi guys, we have an interview with a very rich flight attendant. Check this video out. Hey guys, so for those who have not or who are relatively new into this channel, I had several videos where I feature different people from different professions who are trading the markets that in spite of them being busy, in spite of them also being good at their profession and earning money from their profession, they're still investing and trading the markets. And the whole point of me doing that is to show you that different people with real jobs are making money in the market, that it can also be done no matter what your profession is. People have thought that they've limited themselves, that ito yung trabaho ko, mahirap para sa akin mag-invest sa stock market, or dahil walang mat yung trabaho ko, parang hindi yata favorable sa akin mag-invest sa stock market. But this is one example, and we're gonna show you guys more and more of this. I'm gonna show you a lot of the success stories with just one goal, so that you guys get inspired that if they can do it, so can you. And you will see it also during this video na, teka, paano niya nagawa yun? Nag-mutual funds na siya, pero nagsa-stocks pa rin siya, tapos ginagawa niya lahat ng sabay-sabay. I guess it's just to show that no matter where you are in life, if you're hungry to learn, and you're hungry to do better, and you're hungry to increase and have, I guess, a better semblance that pwede pala ako kumita sa stock market, it can also be done. So I hope you enjoyed this video, that I'm gonna also interject and share more also habang nangyayari lahat to. So enjoy. By the way, his name's Kiel. He's a flight attendant, and I met him in a flight from, I think, Manila to Dubai. So let's do this. Hey guys, we're with Kiel. He's a flight attendant from Philippine Airlines. Yes, how long have you been a flight attendant already?
13 years.
13 years
Yeah,
now.
13
Grabe. What's interesting about this is, number one, while I was walking, sabi niya, he's already investing in the stock market. And the reason why I'm making this video is there's not a lot of flight attendants who are trading the markets. Yes, parang hindi siya normal, and I wanted to make this so that ito yung interesting, para ma-inspire naman sila sa'yo na pwede pala kasi the biggest thing that's preventing people from investing in the stock market is, number one, tingin nila mahirap, or tingin nila, kaya nga ako nag-flight attendant kasi ayoko ng numbers, ayoko ng mga economics na, ayoko ng mga chart na yan eh. So, ayun, first question, based on your experience, how long have you been investing?
Sure, when I started working for PAL, that was 2006.
Wow,
I was
tagal
earning
na.
rate.
Una ka pa sa akin mag-invest. Oh,
Sure, pero I
2007.
started with the mutual fund.
Oh, okay.
So, yun yung mga pinaka-
So mutual fund 2006.
Yes, sir.
Stock market.
So, after, okay na ba sabihin yung school?
Sige.
Okay na, sir.
Pero yung year na nag-invest ka, anong nauna ka nag-2006 sa mutual fund? Then,
Mutual fund.
nag-skip ka to...
Yes, sir. Yung trading na talaga.
Ilan yung years in between nun?
Siguro mga almost 7 years. Yung
7
talagang
years.
buo yung
Pero
invest.
my question is, bakit from mutual fund, pwede rin naman kumita, lalo na kung I assume 2006, mababa yung mutual funds nun. Bakit ka nag-shift sa stock market? Ano
So,
yung naging
curiosity.
Okay.
So parang you want to, paano ginagawa ng mga fund manager?
Okay.
Parang na-curious lang ako that maybe you can earn more than the mutual fund. Tsaka yung, especially the 2008, yung nangyari, nag-crash.
Okay.
Parang, how can you, paano mo maiiwasan yung ganong crash na ganon?
Okay.
So,
Pero you already were thinking na trading na kagad, or mag-i-invest muna ako sa stock market?
Ay sir,
short term?
yun muna, parang nag-invest muna ako sa stock market, and then I joined this school.
Okay.
Okay na sir.
Oh, yeah, okay
yung
lang,
Kiel Institute.
Okay. Tapos, when you started learning, ano yung pinaka natutunan mo naman when you started trading?
There are like setups that you use, like the breakouts, so that you were teaching, because I was reading a book. Sir, idol ko pala to si sir.
Grabe naman.
Idol ko to sir.
Okay.
Pinaka-idol ko to. Yun, after that. So yun sir, yung mga...
No, hindi ko siya binayaran para sabihin yun. Hindi. Tsaka, sasakay pa rin ako ng PAL kahit hindi niya sabihin yun. Totoo.
Pero idol ko siya. Matagal na, for how many years na pinapanood ko, pinafollow ko lagi. Pinapanood ko lahat ng mga videos.
Totoo ba yan? Totoo.
Kaya na-starstruck ako nung nakita ko siya.
Grabe naman. Okay, so wala na, hindi ko na alam tatanong mo. But you started mutual funds. So ilan taon ka na nag-mutual funds ka? Tsaka ilan taon ka nag-stocks? So 2006 mutual funds, 2013 stocks. Ilan
Yes, sir. So I was 2006, 22 years old.
Okay.
So I started investing in stocks.
So sabay na tayo halos.
Sir.
Bakit
every month I was doing that.
Bakit ka nag-start? Majority
Sir,
of the people who are young ayaw mag-invest. And majority of the people in your industry also glamoroso yung
Sir.
buhay also.
Hindi naman, sir.
Oh.
Yun, sir, I always thankful ako sa papa ko, sa father ko.
Okay.
Was working for Film Life with an insurance company. So siya yung parang nagturo sa akin about
Okay.
that, about mutual fund.
Na-mention mo
everything.
pala, connected
Yes,
siya kay Rex Mendoza
Yes,
before.
sir.
Ay,
Dati
sobrang
boss.
inspiring
Hi, sir.
yun, Rex Mendoza. Ay, dami mo na bago na buhay. O tapos, so, you got inspired by him na, sige, invest tayo ng maaga. Tapos,
Yes.
what happened?
Ayun, sir. So I've been investing every month. I have money before. Kasi yung single pa ako. So
Okay.
I have wala akong inisip, wala akong
Okay.
family. So I
Okay.
was investing money to do that. So I was earning. Bagsak nga lang noong 2008. But still, because I have this, ang goal ko with the money is for retirement.
Okay.
So for long term. So,
Okay guys, just to audit what he said, galing no. Before he started investing in the market, hindi niya planong kumita ng pera. Plano lang niya to set everything for retirement. And that's what we've been saying over and over in the channel, that your goal is to plot first saan mo gagamitin yung pera, what's your reason why you're going for it. And for him, it was very, very specific that he wanted to invest for the long term, that his goal was, I'm gonna put money in the market because it's for retirement. So, yun yung lagi kong sinasabi, that, okay, umakyat yung stocks ninyo. Kung umakyat yung stocks ninyo, ano gagawin nyo? Kung tinanggal nyo, sayang naman. You being in the market should not be just to make money, but you being in the market should be to hit whatever goals that you want to get. So, let's continue.
I've been investing until now. So for now, again, tinatry ko naman yung maging trader. So yun, nagagawa ko siya, sir, every time na check ko yung portfolio ko. Basta ang view for everything is for my retirement.
Okay, now, ito,
It's long term.
ito next question ko. Since your goal is for retirement, naabutan mo yung 2008 crash, di ba?
Yes.
So, did you buy more or did you just hold?
Pero nag-ano kasi ako, peso cost
Okay,
average.
so you're
Just
adding. So
holding.
you're
Adding
buying.
lang.
You're buying. Oh, you're
Yes, I'm
buying. Ngayon, para sa lahat ng nakakanood nito, does it work? Have you
Yes.
made money from 2008 up
Yes,
until
sir.
now?
Yes, sir. Until now,
Oh,
I'm doing
so-
not as much as
No, di natin alam yan.
Yeah.
So, ito yung gusto ko sabihin. Sa stock market kasi, patience works.
Yes,
People
true.
are
Patience
so...
work.
Yung,
Yes,
yung
sir.
context kasi na peso cost, people say that it doesn't work. Kasi peso cost is not for trading.
Yes, sir.
So, if you are doing peso cost, tapos 1 year pa lang down yung
Yeah,
down
that
yung
will never
Oh,
work.
you're
Yes.
under the wrong context.
Yes, true.
And if you try to do it fast, you will always lose. It's all about totoo naman yun, that you can buy a stock, it can go up very, very fast. Pero that doesn't happen all the time.
Yes.
Pero I've noticed it also, that those who make money off of that, hindi naman habol din nila short term, they're in it also for the long game.
Yes,
Tapos nagkataon lang, they were able to buy a
Yes,
stock
to
na
buy the
breakout
stock. Yes, true.
or etc.
True, yes.
That happened. So 2008, made money. After you made money, ano ginawa mo? Tinanggal
Sir,
mo or hindi
actually,
naman?
I got married 2012.
Okay.
So most of the money I
Pareho
got
lang.
there.
Pinakasalan ako
Sir, sir.
2012. Oh, 2012 din. Oh, 2012. Oh, 2012.
Parang same
din
na
ako.
same tayo
Di ba?
na, sir.
Kaya
Sana
sobrang,
maging
guys,
katulad
sobrang
mo.
yaman.
Oh!
Sobrang yaman. Sobrang
Siya yan.
yaman.
Siya yun. Yung
Sabi ng
lahat ng
mga,
sinasabi
sabi ng
niya.
mga kabin crew niya, sobrang yaman.
Hindi, sir.
Nilalaglag ka
Hindi.
na ng mga kakabin crew mo. So, how do
Kasi
you
mas
do it?
senior ako sa kanila, kaya
Di naman.
feeling ganun lang sila.
So, how do you do it? Yung dito, variable yung income niya, di ba? May
Yes,
fix,
yes,
tapos
sir.
may
May
commission.
fix.
How do you save money?
So, me and my wife and I, we invest at least 20% of our income.
Another thing that I'd like to mention is they have a very, very consistent level of savings. So if you look at it, very specific, 10%, 10%, 10%, like clockwork. And yun yung gusto ko sabihin eh, hindi nyo mapapansin yun over the years, you setting aside 10% of what you get on a regular basis. Lalaki at lalaki at lalaki siya. That's why it's never get rich quickly. It's always about also finding a style that will work for you, but it's also accumulating and putting in volume, because the stock market is still a volume game. I'll say this over and over, better earn 20% from 10 million than 100% from 100,000, because 100% from 100,000, hindi mo siya mauulit lagi, and the person who has 10 million earning 20% will actually earn also more. And then I'll say this also, yung multiple streams of income niya, no, he has a savings. I don't know what the program is. Feeling ko co-op yun from PAL. That's one. Then PUL, then mutual fund, then he's investing, then he's also trading, but he's also consistent in what he's doing. So, Kian, if you're watching this, please message me. I want to do an update also. 2020, after the pandemic, ano nangyari? Lalo na ngayon, the airline industry has been hit. How are you doing? But let's continue first.
Or kung kaya pa mag-invest, we put it in yung sa insurance, kasi may VUL ako. Yun, so
Okay.
parang yun yung parang investment namin na nilalagyan namin. And then, if it's okay, if I can say we have this organization
Okay.
that it's up to you on how much you want to put in.
Okay.
So, most of the money doon namin nilagay. Kasi yun, automatic yun. And then it's, most of it's invested in a fixed income. So yun, mas safe yun.
That's an insurance, you mean?
Yung
mutual
sa
funds?
actually, ano siya, sir?
Stock brokerage.
Organizations din sa PAL.
Okay.
Yung, tapos parang meron siyang deduction.
Okay, so parang ano siya, for your benefit lang.
For our benefit, for our cabin crew.
So you suggest everyone from PAL does that also? Or
Kung pwede,
mandatory siya?
Hindi siya mandatory though, pero
interest mataas?
better than compared to the other fixed income.
Kunin yun na yun.
So lahat ng mga cabin crew, please invest in that. Alam niyo ano yung sinasabi ko.
Alam nyo daw. Kaya hindi umakit yung stock price sa PAL. Hindi, joke lang. Kasi doon napupunta. Hindi, joke lang din. So, yung technique nyo, 10%.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since 2006, gano'n ka na.
Sir.
So, doing that from 2006, does it work also?
Yeah, it works.
10%?
Really, yes.
Because?
Sir, kasi at least yung ibang maliban sa 10%, the 90%, we're able to spend it for needs. And now for the school of my...
Habang lumalaki rin naman yung sweldo nyo,
yes,
yung natatabi
tumataas
na 10%,
mas tumataas din.
Okay.
So at least mas may idea ka na kung how much you're willing to set aside. At lahat, sir, for retirement.
Okay.
It doesn't mean if you retire 60 years old, maybe 50 if I can. Why not? If you can retire 50 or 50, 45,
Tama yun.
the better, the younger the better.
The younger the better.
What's
your best performing stock in the entire 13 years na hindi mo
13,
makakalimutan? Was it through
Yung
investing or
short term.
trading?
Yung
Regardless, the
yung
best...
pinaka-short term na hindi ko makalimutan lagi is the Double Dragon.
From 2
Pero wala na kayo,
to
sir.
80?
Yeah, hindi naman. 2 to 18.
So from IPO? So pero di ba
Actually, hindi IPO. Around 3 pesos na, sir.
Okay.
Kasi after the IPO.
Yung 18 na pagka ganun.
Oo.
Hindi yung 18 na umakyat tapos bumagsak na 18.
Hindi.
Okay.
So,
Double
nabenta ko
Dragon.
na siya. Pero yun, sir. Hindi ko makalimutan.
Okay.
That was like, alam ba, sir?
2014 yun. I remember that. 2014. That's
Yun
very,
yung
very,
pinaka
very
hindi ko makalimutan na bigla.
Madami na payaman ng tawag nung iba doon. Double eh.
That was a very, very good trade. And if you've been watching the videos that I've been saying that yung nangyayari sa market ngayon about Mary Mart also was also predicated on the excitement that was generated from Double Dragon ano 2014. So kudos to you, 2 to 18 is a really, really good trade. So let's continue.
So, that was for trading. For investing,
Yes,
meron
sir.
ka namang something very memorable?
Investing?
O wala?
For now, kasi sir, yung sa mutual fund din, sir, it's more
so how's your mutual fund naman so far?
Yeah, it's doing good. Okay pa rin, sir.
Okay.
Basta yun, long term lang.
Long term horizon.
Bumababa because of what's happening now.
Okay.
Trade war, everything is affected. Philippines is
Di ka
affected.
naman natitempt na gumastos every time na nasa abroad ka. Kasi madaming ganun eh.
sir.
Parang, nasa London ako, nasa States ako,
sir,
gastos. Mahal pa pagkain sa States.
Ang sabi ko lagi sa wife ko, let's make our life as much as possible simple. If it's complicated, if your lifestyle is complicated, your life is complicated.
Okay.
The same thing, as much as pag simple, pag tumatagal, nagiging simple yung buhay.
Okay.
If you make it simple, hindi ka mahirap.
Galing, sobrang galing. So,
natutunan
hindi
ko
naman
yan
yun.
sa
So,
MRB. One of the best.
To parang break this down, your style is, you're very, very consistent about saving and you
Yes, sir.
stuck with the 10% and then you kept on investing
Yes,
regardless
yes.
of what happens. Hala, prepare for life.
Sige, sir.
Before we end, any tips for other cabin crews that are not yet investing in the market? Go.
Invest now. Walang hindi pwede bukas, but now. So invest now. Kung depende sa goal mo, ano yung goal mo. Kung retirement, so it's a long term, so invest for long term and set aside the money that you can spend aside. Kasi yes sir.
Okay.
Yun yung always set aside money and make your life simple as much as possible.
Because it can be done, you can make money in the stock market and it's not so hard as what most people think it is. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. May tunog na sa PA, maglaland na kami. So bye everyone, God bless you.
Guys, I hope you got a lot from this and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want this format also, I'm gonna do more of this. If you guys want, comment below, I want more, so that we can do more of this, so that you get to see also more success stories. I do understand kasi sa first channel, 1,700 videos there already. Probably most of you na nag-subscribe lang this year, hindi nyo na nakita yung kalahati nun. That's why I'm trying to bring back the good ones that could inspire you as well. 2 announcements, Stock Smarts Manila, January, end of January, link is in the description below. Second announcement, online course, coming soon, link is in the description for those who want to sign up. Third announcement, books available in Shopee.
fourth announcement, everything you need to know about me and the stock market, we have links below on playlists in YouTube, how you can invest in the US stock market, and how you can support this channel as well. And if you want more of this, appreciate it if you could press the like button and put algo if you just want to support this channel. And also, may request yung isang cabin crew nila. I'll show you. Send yung request.
Hello, I'm Kat. Please subscribe to Marvin Girma's channel.
Thank you. Parang awan nyo na, please. Bye-bye.
So, patay. Nung kanina pala nagsasalita ako, hindi kita yung mukha ko. But, yun. So bad. Mali yung edit ko na to. But I hope, since sa end na siya, hindi ko na siya tatanggalin. Tutuloy ko na tong video na to. But, yun, everything that we need, it's all in the description below. It's all in the links below for all of the seminars that we plan to do and all of the things that we plan to open. And there, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. To everyone following this video, see you all again soon. And this will be our thumbnail for this video. So bye everyone, and God bless you all.